अस्सलाम वालेकुम फ्रेंड्स। अस्सलाम वालेकुम viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope so that all are you. Happy and well. So in today's video, what decor ideas, friends. So friends, so let's start today's video. Brings holiday magic to your door with this Christmas bath ideas. Make a classical green bath with beans leaves and red berries. Friends, add a big red bow for that perfect festive touch. Try a snow bath using white spray and fairy lights. Decorate with candies, bells, and mini ornaments for playful. Playful look. Go elegant with gold flowers, pincons, and pearls. Your bath will be the perfect welcome for guests this holiday season. Friends, Christmas at rustic farmhouse. What this Christmas? Creative at rustic farmhouse. What this Christmas? Use to drop as the base, add pincons, cinnamon stick, and a dry orange. Finish with the upper layer for a warm, cozy holiday look. Glam golden watt. Go glamours this season. Make a golden watt using spray, paint, leaves, and bubbles. People add fairy lights for that perfect evening glow. Your door will spark like Christmas magic. Make your decor fun and sweet. Glue red and white candies in our circle. Add a red ribbon and mini bells. This watch is cute, festive, and kid approved.